The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for southern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen, with isolated higher amounts. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Uptown Charlotte, Central Charlotte, South Charlotte, East Charlotte, Southwest Charlotte, Northeast Charlotte, Northwest Charlotte, Matthews, Mid-Hill, Pineville, Freedom Park, South Park Mall, The Plaza, The Arboretum, Hidden Valley, Charlotte Douglas Airport, Reedy Creek Park, Paul Creek and Carowinds. This includes the following streams and drainages: McAlpine Creek, Little Sugar Creek, Briar Creek, Dobie Creek, Irwin Creek, and any small branches and tributaries that feed into these creeks. When it is safe to do so, please report flooding or landslides threatening roads or property to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, by posting on our Facebook page, or via Twitter using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the specific location where impacts occurred and the depth of flooding observed. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.